Welcome back, guys. So right now, let's see how we can get ways to make money with ChatGPT. Okay, let me visit a course platform so I can try to see the bookshop. So there's this book I want to show you, this particular book. So I'm going to show you the preview of this very book, and you get to see how you can use ChatGPT to make money. So we're going to check that preview. It's the same preview we're going to use to highlight ways we can make money. So let me just come right here to show you the book right away. So this basically highlights ways you can make money as a beginner. So you could see it right here. It says 300 plus ways to make money with ChatGPT. So I'm just going to highlight that right away. So you get to see this. So from the highlights, we have writing and content creation. Yes, that's one of the ways you can make money with ChatGPT. Writing and content creation, you could write books, you could write articles, you could write product description, you could write a lot of things, and you could create content like video content, image content. There are a lot of ways you can actually utilize this in the writing and content creation industry. Then we have marketing and social media. So you could use ChatGPT to market. You could use it as a social media marketer, and you could use it to create campaigns. You could use it to create videos for campaigns. You could use it to create images for campaigns. That is marketing and social media. Then we have customer service and support. Yes, you could use ChatGPT for customer service and support. You could use it to troubleshoot stuff for your users. You could use it for a lot of things. So you don't even need a support staff. You can actually use ChatGPT depending on what you offer as a service. You can use ChatGPT as a support staff for your customer, and you can use it as customer service, education and training. Like the way I'm currently using ChatGPT, you could use it to train people, and you could actually use it to get a lot of details as an educator or as a trainer. So basically, ChatGPT can help you in creating curriculums, can help you in creating courses, can help you in creating informative books which are educative. So these are things you could do. You could create creative projects. Yes, you could use ChatGPT to create a project from onset, be it websites, be it mobile apps. So you could create creative projects with ChatGPT. You could even go as far as creating a design with ChatGPT. So that's where the creative project comes in. So you could use it to freelance and consult. Yes, you as a ChatGPT owner or as a prompt engineer, you could use ChatGPT to freelance, write your gigs, or even use it as a whole workflow structure for your freelancing business. You could be a writer and then use ChatGPT to enhance your writing. So that is the basic part of you using it for freelancing and consulting. So you could use it for e-commerce and digital products. Of course, you could create an e-commerce website and you could start creating digital products like books. You could create all sorts of things with ChatGPT. Then the last part is research and data analysis. Yes, you could use this particular tool, ChatGPT tool, for research and data analysis. So you could see this is a well layered book, and in the book you have different prompts you could use as a blogger, as someone that wants to write an ebook. So we have all these ghostwriting. So these are prompts that helps you achieve all this. So you could see how you could use it for content creation. So everything is right here. You could use it for grant writing, you could use it for email marketing campaigns, you could use it for web content. So these are basic things. You could use it for social media management, and those are just basic things you could use it for. But in this course, we are going to highlight them all. You will see how you can use this ChatGPT to make money in a practical way. So this is just a book, but in this particular course, we are going to learn how to use it. Yes, you're going to learn how to use it without having to need the book, and that's what I'm going to just do in this particular course. So you have how you can make money with ChatGPT, which makes it make more sense. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.